All right, classic truck enthusiasts, buckle up. Today we're bringing you something truly special. The legendary 1958 Mack Model B61 single-axle semi-trailer. This isn't just some old truck. This is a rolling piece of American history. And we brought it back to life in stunning 3D detail that'll make you swear you can smell the diesel and hear that engine roar. Picture this. 311,000 polygons of pure digital craftsmanship, recreating every bolt, every curve of its iconic design. But this isn't just eye candy, it's built to work. The doors swing open smoothly, and they're neatly organized in their own Blender directory for easy modding and animation. Every component, from the separately rigged steering wheel for buttery smooth animations to the authentic drivetrain, stays true to the original, but ready for the digital age. Here's the really exciting part. You can make this beauty yours today. We got this model available on all major marketplaces. Check the description for download links to use it in your projects. Whether you're modding American Truck Simulator, creating a retro short film, or just adding to your collection of digital classics, this Mack's ready to roll. But wait, this is just the beginning. We want to hear from you. What other highway legends should we recreate with this level of detail? A 60s Peterbilt? Classic Kenworth? Maybe venture into vintage buses? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Every idea counts, and your dream truck might just be our next project. Now, if you love this kind of content, if you enjoy seeing these historic machines revived with such care and attention, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Every subscription helps us create more models like this, preserving these incredible machines for future generations. So tell me, what are you going to do with this Mack B61? Create an epic mod, a cinematic animation, or just admire it in your digital garage? The links are below, and this rig is ready to hit the digital highway. Because as we always say, classics never die, they just evolve. And remember, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and tell us in the comments what other classic trucks or vehicles we should model next. See you on the digital road.